Okay, so what I have here is the second take on reassessment number 2, which is on position, velocity, and acceleration. What we have a train right here, and it travels 60 kilometers per hour for 2 hours, and then it stops for 15 minutes, and then it travels at 100 kilometers for the next 45 minutes. What we want to do is we want to find the average speed of the train for the whole trip. So what we do is we have, to find the average speed, you do distance over time. We can find the distance by breaking it down into 3 parts. First, we have our distance, number 1. We went 60 kilometers for 2 hours. So multiply 60 times 2 and you get 120. Then for distance number 2, obviously you didn't travel any distance for a time of 15 minutes. So we have zero distance traveled there. And then for the next 45 minutes you went a total of 100 kilometers. If you add up all distances, you come out to a total distance of 220 kilometers or kilometers. And then what you do, and then you know your time is you went 2 hours, you stopped for 15 minutes, and then you traveled again for another 45. So the average speed would be 220 divided by 3 hours, which comes out to be 73.3 kilometers per hour. The other thing we wanted to find was the average velocity of the train for the entire time that it traveled. The way you find average velocity is the change in difference, change in distance over the change in time. Like I said, your original or change in displacement, I'm sorry. Originally displacement is 120 kilometers, displacement number 2 is 0, and displacement number 3 is 100 kilometers. What you do change R3 minus R1, comes out to be, it'd be 100, it should be 100 minus 120, divided by 3, which comes out to be 6.7 kilometers per hour is your final answer of how the velocity of the train during the whole time. Like I said, this is assessment number 2 on position, velocity, and acceleration.